How to fix the Copilot not working on your Windows 11. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you are facing this error, here are a few solutions that you can use. The very first thing would be checking your internet connection. Use a free internet speed tester to ensure that your connection is not slow. If it is slow, make sure you restart your router or contact the ISP for a better internet connection. After that, if you try to access it again, it should probably work. Likewise, for the next option, right-click on the Start button and click on the Settings tab. This will open the settings on your device. Now tap on Windows Update. And after that, make sure you tap on Check for Updates and download and install all the latest updates that is available. Sometimes this could also cause error or issues to various applications. Also, additionally, make sure you have all the optional updates downloaded as well. Likewise, for the third solution, you have to make some changes to the registry editor. For this, press in Windows plus R and type in regedit. This will now ask you for administrative privileges. Tap on Yes. After that, here is a location that you need to search, which is HKey current user, software Microsoft Windows current version Windows Copilot. If you click on it, it should probably open. If it does not, you might have to create the folder. In order to do so, what you can do is reach up to the location HKey current user, software, Microsoft and Windows. Now right click on the Windows key, select new and click on the key and name the new key as Windows Copilot. Right click on the Copilot, select new and choose dword 32-bit value. Now hereby you have to name the value as turn off Windows Copilot. Double click on it and set the value data to 0. Now you must restart your computer and access the Copilot again, which should probably be working. Likewise, to access it, here's another process or command that you can run. For this, press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab, and here's the command that you need to paste. The command is for the Microsoft, and then you will see the Copilot be working. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.